To fix YouTube TV not connecting, follow these simple steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unreliable internet connection can cause YouTube TV to malfunction. Restart your router and modem to refresh your connection. Next, check for any outages or maintenance in your area that may be affecting YouTube TV. You can do this by visiting the YouTube TV website or social media pages to see if there are any known issues. If there is an outage, wait until it is resolved before trying to connect again. Another common issue is outdated software or apps. Make sure your device and YouTube TV app are up to date, as newer versions often fix bugs and improve performance. Check your device's app store for any available updates and install them. Additionally, clear the cache and data of the YouTube TV app to remove any temporary files that may be causing the problem. This can be done in your device's settings menu under Apps or Storage. If you are still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube TV app. This will reset the app to its default settings and may resolve any issues. Finally, check your account status to ensure your subscription is active and your payment information is up to date. If you are still experiencing issues, contact YouTube TV support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix YouTube TV not connecting in just a few minutes.